Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two battery security cameras battling it out for the top spot. On the left, we have the eufy Security SoloCam S220, and on the right, we have the Sovmiku C6S 2K battery security camera. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, price. The eufy Security SoloCam S220 comes in at just $129, while the Sovmiku C6S 2K battery security camera is priced slightly higher at $149. Next up, we have solar charging. The eufy Security SoloCam S220 boasts an impressive feature. It can be charged using solar power. With just 3 hours of sunlight daily, you can keep the battery full and never worry about running out of power. When it comes to night vision, both cameras are equipped to give you clear footage in low light conditions. The eufy Security SoloCam S220 features infrared LEDs and an a 1.6 aperture, allowing you to see more details even in the darkest of nights. Let's talk about installation. The eufy Security SoloCam S220 prides itself on its easy installation process. Thanks to its tiny size and wire-free design, you can put it anywhere with just one hole to drill. Now let's move on to the smart features. The eufy Security SoloCam S220 comes with human detection AI, which alerts you of anyone in your yard, whether it's a family member, a courier, or even a stranger. You can even connect it to Homebase 3 for individual facial recognition. Last but not least, let's talk about monthly fees. The eufy Security SoloCam S220 is a one-time purchase with no monthly fees or hidden costs. It offers on-device storage and AI for complete security and transparency. The eufy Security SoloCam S220 is highly praised for its easy installation, clear video quality, impressive night vision, customizable motion settings, and solar charging capability. Reviewers appreciate the user-friendly app, lack of subscription fees, and cost-effectiveness. On the other hand, the Sovmiku C6S 2K battery security camera is commended for its durability, energy efficiency, budget, video quality. Users find the app easy to use and appreciate the alerts and performance in harsh weather conditions. Both cameras have received positive reviews overall. And that concludes our comparison between the eufy Security SoloCam S220 and the Sovmiku C6S 2K battery security camera. We've covered the price, solar charging, night vision, installation, smart features, and monthly fees. Now it's time for you to make the final decision based on your preferences and needs. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know which camera you would choose. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product comparisons, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back when it comes to making smarter purchasing decisions. See you next time.